Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I can show you one website where we can create a backlink, a business listing backlink, but the backlink is related for the travel industry. So if you guys are for travel, so must you guys have to create a backlink, otherwise you guys are some different, so you can also. Okay, so the website name is travelful.net and now we can research something about that website. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 71, it's a quite good. And according to most domain authorities 46 and the spam score is 14%, so you guys have to consider these things. But so if you are related to the travel industry, so this things is cannot going to impact your website trust things matrix trust matrix. And this website having 8.4k total visitors and the mostly traffic from Australia, UK, India, Bangladesh and the Pakistan. So we have completed our research process. So now we can start. Before that, if you are new on this channel, so you can hit the subscribe and like button. So now you can see there is top of the right corner, there is a register button. You can click over there. There you guys can create your profile first. After that, you can click for the register button. Okay. And once you guys can create your profile, then you guys can see there is add a location button. You can click over there. Firstly, you guys can update a picture. And you guys have to click for the add location button. First you guys have to check this box, and after that there you guys can add your business name. You guys have to choose your category, video interview software. There you guys can add your full address. And there you guys can add your location, latitude and the longitude. So how you guys will going to add these things? So simply, and I can going to click for the direction, and once the map is open, so you can see this is your latitude, and this is your longitude. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link. So you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. And also you guys have a one option to how you guys will latitude and the longitude finder, and there you guys can add your place name. So our place name is this is address, and we're going to add these things, and simply you guys will find your latitude and the longitude. and this is your longitude. So longitude is something nearest. Okay, and after that, in this section there you guys can add your website URL. And there you guys can add your phone number, but you guys have to remove your extra space. Then you guys have to add your country code, and there you guys can add your business hour, and there you guys can add your company description. And you guys have to click for the save changes. Okay, so you can see we have created our business listing backlink. So job of United States, and I will show you this is no follow backlink. You can see the red dot is popping up. So this is a process for the business listing on that website on the travelfull.net. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, are you friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section, so where you guys can going to connect with me easily. And I'm also living in Delhi, so if you anyone are nearest, so you guys will also catch up. And for the last, if you guys are new on this channel, or if you guys are haven't subscribed this channel, so it's a humble request to you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay yaar, bye bye and take care.